What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. I have a big surprise for you today. We've been thinking about something for 3 years now, and it's now coming to fruition. I've been saying I'm going to do it, and you guys probably, she's not going to get it done, right? But today we are in the process of that, and we're going on a field trip to find some flooring for the project. So welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen.
Yay!
Yay! Okay, so the surprise I have is we're going forward with the studio kitchen project. Yay! Right? The contractor will be here on the 18th of November to start, and we got a lot of things to do in advance. Eric is running the electrical, and we need to go pick out some flooring. I need your guys' help because my design sensibilities are not that great, right? I need you guys to help me pick out some stuff. So let's go get some flooring. Okay, we're here. Let's go see what they got. Okay, we have every color under the sun, and I have no idea what to get. $228 square feet?
Yeah.
We need like 360.
You need like 360.
Square feet.
This one's got
All these different colors. What the heck am I gonna get? Beauty and comfort made to last. This is hardwood. That's not what I want. Though it's nice and shiny. Look at that. Our house has this kind of finish on the floor. That's a laminate. Here's a stack out deal, baby. Yeah.
Starts around 50 cents a square foot. Okay.
This is way cheaper than Lowe's. Way cheaper than Lowe's, but I wonder if it's any good. Here's some of our options. Here's some more options.
All right. We get 14 boxes of this pallet, so we don't get the whole pallet. Wah. That would cost more, right? And then what do I do with all that extra flooring? I don't know. Replace some carpet? So and that's what it's. So he's got almost all of it in already. I guess that's how much a pallet gives you in terms of square feet. You can do
14, and we got 4 rows on it.
You can do almost half a house there. So that's 14 boxes, and now he just has to go get the padding that goes under it. So now we got 4 rolls of the padding because they do 100 square feet each, and we got 300 and change square feet to do on this. Now for the final paperwork.
Okay, so the flooring is in the wagon here with Flash, the golf cart. We have some underlayment here that's gonna make it soft and squishy for your feet. Now, I'm gonna show you the color flooring we got. You might be shocked, but I do have a reason for it, and I'll tell you what that reason is. Here is the flooring. It is a dark wood tone with gray undertones. And no, I'm not trying to get gray. Gray is like the last thing I was trying to get. But I will tell you why I did this. Okay, so the flooring is officially in the kitchen. Look at, there's my oven. My double oven's waiting to be used. But it's here. We're very close to starting. So the reason I got that dark flooring, and it seems kind of weird, is if you think of a photography studio, they paint everything black. That's to control the lighting. Because if you have a yellow tint, an orange tint, a green tint, lens cannot figure that out like the eye can. So it seems kind of weird that I got this flooring. It's actually going to work perfect for what we're using it for. So as I'm designing this, I'm thinking about how it would look as a kitchen, but also how is it going to look in front of the camera. So you might have been rooting for another color. I would have gotten another color in a different situation, but I needed something dark. So we got the dark color. We got it at an excellent price. It was a closeout. We paid like a third of the normal price. So I did see a dark black floor that we could have used, but it would have been 3 times the price and for the same quality. They had one that was cheap, but it was
horrible.
And they had some that was really nice that would have cost me a fortune. So I got the really nice at a discount price.
And you just didn't want to spend that amount of money for this.
Yeah. I mean, this is not our kitchen that we're going to be living in. This is for filming. So
Boo's got to put the money somewhere else in this
definitely.
project.
Like my quartz countertop, right? So thank you for joining me. Our next step now is to run the electrical and get this project underway. So thanks for joining me. What's up? It's Wednesday. I hope you have a great day.